PivotWorks was founded in 1999 and was the first company to market fast, easy, and complete bearing and seal kits to the power sports market to rebuild suspension and chassis for your dirt bike or ATV. Today we'll be showing you the PivotWorks unique front hub conversion kit for sport ATVs. PivotWorks front hub conversion kit replaces your ATV's front ball bearings with a custom tapered bearings, which are significantly more durable than OEM ball bearings. Perfect for racers, these bearings hold up better to any side impacts and provide less drag. These tapered bearings are a direct fitment into the stock locations and require no modifications to OEM hubs. Each kit includes 4 tapered bearings and matched races and 4 seals to complete the installation of both front hubs. The seals ensure your exact fitment for keeping debris out. This kit also includes a convenient tube of PivotWorks waterproof high-load bearing grease to be used on any bearing or inner seal lip surface. These front hub conversion kits with custom tapered bearings are just what you need if you're riding a sport ATV and will long outlive the standard ball bearings. This is the same bearing design as what's used in automobile wheels. With an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that Contact Us form. For the original, fast and easy, complete solution, it's gotta be PivotWorks.